Hello learners, welcome to another English listening video where you will improve your English through an amazing story of Spider-Man. So sit back and listen carefully and feel the story as it unfolds. New York City, the place that never sleeps. But tonight, it's quieter than usual because somewhere out there, its greatest protector has vanished. No one knows where Spider-Man went or if he's ever coming back. Before we get to that, let's rewind. For years, Spider-Man swung through the streets, the friendly neighborhood hero who never asked anything in return. From stopping robberies to saving the world with the Avengers, he did it all. But being a hero isn't about powers, it's about sacrifice. And every time Peter Parker put on that mask, he lost a little more of himself. Friends drifted away, loved ones forgotten, and the weight of two lives, Peter's and Spider-Man, started to crush him. The city turned against him. News headlines called him a menace. The people he saved stopped believing in him, and Peter began to believe them. Days passed, then weeks. Without Spider-Man, the city began to fall apart. Crime surged, fear spread faster than venom. But even in the darkest corners, hope refused to die. A little kid, still wearing his homemade Spider-Man mask every day. A police officer who once doubted him now defended his name. And Mary Jane, she never stopped believing that Peter would find his way back. And one night, when the city needed him the most, he did. No applause, no cameras, just a man and his mission. He remembered why he became Spider-Man, not for fame, not for redemption, because being Spider-Man was never about power. It was about responsibility. The Spidey is back. This city didn't know who is under the mask, didn't even know if he was real. But every time a web shot across the skyline, people felt a little safer because somewhere up there in the shadows of New York, a boy who lost everything decided to keep fighting for everyone, because heroes don't need recognition, they just need a reason, and Peter Parker already has one. And that was the story of Spider-Man. If you like this video, then don't forget to like, share and subscribe. This is Fluent Fury. See you in next video. Take care.